Hello, how are you? Today, we're taking a closer look at the red Komodo-X. It's a compact cinema camera packed with some serious capabilities, so let's break down what it has to offer and see why it's generating a lot of attention in the filmmaking world. The red Komodo-X follows in the footsteps of its predecessor, the original Komodo, but brings some notable improvements to the table. With a smaller form factor and red's signature image quality, it's designed to be a versatile tool for filmmakers working in a variety of environments. Whether you're on a tight, mobile shoot or in a more controlled setup, this camera aims to deliver. At the core of the Komodo-X is its 6K Super 35 sensor, which offers high dynamic range and stunning detail. The ability to shoot in 6K resolution gives you a lot of flexibility in post-production, allowing you to reframe or crop while maintaining sharpness. The camera captures 16+ stops of dynamic range, which is a huge advantage in scenes with challenging lighting conditions, allowing for great detail in both highlights and shadows. One standout feature of the Komodo-X is its global shutter. This eliminates the rolling shutter effect that can occur with fast-moving subjects or quick pans. It's especially beneficial for action scenes or handheld shooting, providing a smoother image without the usual warping issues you might see in other cameras. The Komodo-X retains the same compact design as the original Komodo, making it ideal for filmmakers who need a lightweight setup. This camera is great for drone work, gimbal setups, or tight spaces where larger cinema cameras wouldn't fit. Its modular build also allows you to add the necessary accessories based on your shooting needs, but keep it stripped down when mobility is key. Another important feature is the RF lens mount, which offers flexibility in terms of lens choices. You can adapt it to a wide range of lenses, whether you're using Canon RF, EF, or PL mount glass, making it compatible with both cinema and photography lenses. In terms of workflow, the Komodo-X supports RED's new IPP2 color management system, providing a streamlined post-production process with improved color fidelity and detail. The Komodo-X records on CFast 2.0 media, which is widely available and fast enough to handle the high data rates required for 6K recording. For connectivity, it includes features like built-in wireless control, dual 3G SDI outputs, and a locking RF lens mount, giving you multiple options for external monitoring and remote operation. That wraps up our look at the red Komodo-X. It's a versatile camera that packs a lot of power in a compact body. If you found this overview helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more camera reviews and filmmaking tips. Thanks for watching.